Hey guys, me again Aswad, and today I want to talk about this new controversy by Netflix about this movie called Cuties. Cuties, the controversy is because this movie is about this young girl, Muslim girl, who wants to go against a conservative family so that she can learn and join this group of twerking girls. Twerking is a dance from in America. You see in the rap videos and whatnot. It's supposedly a very sexual dance that is done by adults. So in this movie, they created all these perimeters. So it's about a Muslim girl who wants to dance to twerking, and her mother disagrees. So then the liberal will say, you know what, this is Muslim Islamic community suppress women. They say they're trying to suppress women, and then they put another perimeter. Now, this is the worst part of it. The perimeter is she's only 11. An 11-year-old Muslim girl who goes against a conservative Islamic background to do sexualized dance move. Twerking, there's no way about it, man. I will not allow my young girl, 12, 11 years old, to join a twerking. They say it's about breaking free from the conservative background and embracing, the forward-thinking culture of the West, which is to twerk. I mean, if this movie is about a 20-year-old girl, Muslim, whatnot, I don't care. 30 years old, I don't care. But this is about 11 years old girl twerking. It's about that, and she is fighting with her mother to allow her to twerk and joining other girls twerking. And the poster itself, good God, man, this is disgusting. The backlash was very strong because the fact that it's a young girl twerking and even has, so weird. They are openly, they are not hiding anymore. They are targeting, they are selling a pedophilia movie openly on Netflix. The director is a female director, and she was saying, oh, this movie is to show how the world nowadays is hypersexualizing children. But the irony is, in order to make this movie, you are sexualizing children yourself, the actress. All these young actresses below 11, you have to teach them how to twerk. Are you not sexualizing them? You are sexualizing them to make a movie about how bad the world is to sexualize children. There is something wrong with that description. The best argument that Netflix has come out with to fight against the critics is that, the movie won Sundance Award. Do you know that the creator, the co-creator of the Sundance Award has been charged with sexual abuse of young children? it's it's so horrible, isn't it? But I know some people will, the liberal will say, "Oh, I was reading, these weird liberals supporters saying that, oh, the movie is teaching, is having a good message." Do you know that this movie, if it's a good message, it's only targeted for mature audience? Who mature audience want to see young girls wearing sexy clothes, twerking? You know who? Pedophiles. This movie is not made for kids. This movie is not made for family. It's very clear. So they're trying to normalize it. They're trying to make it normal. Hollywood has a history of showing sexualizing children, making them sex partners for adults. They have. Before I did a research, the movie called Class, Jacqueline Bisset and sleeping with her son's friend who is still in school. And then there's a movie called Playing with Fire, about a teacher, a lady teacher, having sex with a boy. Yeah, there's a few more. Can't remember the title, but there's a few more pedophilia movies. Lolita, of course, people heard about that. And then now you have all these kind of things in America with Jeffrey Epstein having this island where all these big leaders go there and have sex with children. They are making it normal in America. That's it. I just want to say how bad it is. Cuties, they make a movie about an 11-year-old Muslim girl who fights with her conservative mother so that she can dance a sexual dance. 11 years old, twerking. What is going on? It's disgusting. I hope people realize all this kind of liberal bullshit is ruining the world. Now people realize it's not just Muslim who feel this is a disgusting movie, regardless of background. This is a disgusting movie. Whether you are Christian, Hindu, Muslim, even you don't have any faith, you don't portray in a glamorous way and then encourage a movie about sexualizing children, 11 years old, to dance twerking. But if you agree, I don't know, man, you are monsters. But I want to make this video because I want to speak up against this. It's disgusting. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.